Hey guys, just want to quickly demo the annotation capabilities of Allie. First, go into the annotations directory, and then all you need to do is get a folder of files. In this case, there's WAV files in this train directory in mails, and then specify the folder, specify the type of file, specify the class that you want to classify. In this case, it's gender for a male. And then classify the type of annotation, which is either classification or regression. Classification is just 0 and 1 as yes or no, binary class, or regression is in between 0 and 1 if you're specifying an extent, an emotional state. So here, as you see, it goes through.
Might still be supported by the people, but it's not supported by the industry. It's definitely not supported by the media.
You then
because he writes himself, right? And I remember he shut his laptop, shut his script, put it aside, and then started telling me a story.
I'm going to say that was not a male.
أمام المشروع السياسي الذي يفضي إلى استسلام أهل الشعب.
That was clearly a male, so I'll label that after this is done.
They were to.
All right, so I'm going to stop really fast. So I labeled a few of them. There's also some in there. So if you want to get a CSV file of all the data, all you need to do is run this command, the same thing, but with create CSV. And now you have a really nice formatted CSV with all the data. And you can use this for model training later. But it gives you the class 1 or 0 if it has the male or not male class, or the paths. So it's quick. Excited guys to share this with you, and thanks for watching the video.